Yes, guys, I believe that anytime from now, Bitcoin is about to explode all the way to 50,000. In this video, I will tell you exactly why I believe that. If you're new to this channel, welcome. My name is Sarah, and on this channel, I teach how to trade and invest in cryptocurrency. I also make quick technical analysis videos like this on Bitcoin. Most of my analysis tend to be accurate. So if you would like to get first tips on that, then I highly recommend that you subscribe to this channel and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you can stay updated whenever I post the next video. All right, let's jump right into the chart here. Right now, I'm looking at the daily time frame, and as you can see, Bitcoin is currently trading at 46,648. Okay, so now right now, I do believe that Bitcoin is about to explode any moment from now, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so if you can see here on the chart, we have an ascending triangle. Okay, ascending triangle that Bitcoin ended up breaking out of, and now the target for this ascending triangle is approximately at around 53,000. This is where I expect the price to go all the way to once it breaks out of this ascending triangle. Now, obviously, the price is not going to jump straight to 53,000, right? It's going to make its way there slowly. It will go up and then down a little, up, down a little. Now, once the price broke out of this ascending triangle, you can see here it found a strong resistance at around 48,200. Okay, I'm going to zoom in a little so you can see. So you can see here, the moment we got to 48,200, we got rejected there and we've been going down. Okay, now as we were going down, we ended up finding support at around 45,500. This was to be expected because, 45,500 used to be the previous resistance, right? And Bitcoin ended up breaking out of this resistance. So that's why when Bitcoin started dropping, it ended up staying above 45,500. Although on this candle here, you can see that it went all the way down to 44,200. However, at the end of the day, the price ended up closing above 45,500, okay? Because this is where the supported area is. Now that Bitcoin has been holding this 45,500 support for quite a few days now, I believe that Bitcoin is about to explode any moment from now, okay? This candle here is basically telling us that, okay, in the next 40 minutes, we're going to have this daily candle close, okay? Once this daily candle close, I believe the next candle after that is just going to go all the way to 49,000, okay? 49,000 is where the next major resistance is. However, before we get there though, we want to see Bitcoin break this 48,200 resistance, okay? It needs to break this 48,200 resistance. This is what I'm watching out for. Now, another thing I would like to show you here is on the 4-hour time frame, okay? So as you can see here, on the 4-hour time frame, we've been going down and we have this trend line, okay? This downward trend line that Bitcoin has been getting rejected multiple times to break out of. As you can see here, we got rejected there, got rejected there. This candle here, we attempted to break it, but then we failed. We ended up closing inside. Now, look at this current 4-hourly candle, okay? This 4-hourly candle is the first candle ever that has finally succeeded in breaking out of this downward trend line, okay? And it hasn't closed yet. There's still 40 minutes left for this candle to close. So I'm watching it very close. I do believe that it is going to close outside of this trend line. If it does, this is going to be a very good sign, okay? Once that closes, then yes, the next candle after that, I believe, is going to go all the way to the next resistance, which is like around 47,500. And then once we break that resistance, then we're going to go all the way to the 48,200 resistance. This should be pretty easy for us to break, okay? Once we break that then we can see Bitcoin at 49,000. 49,500 is where I believe we're going to have a little bit of correction there. The price will be overbought. Once we reach 49,000, it will be extremely overbought. So the price will need to definitely retrace a little bit from there. And then as we are retracing, we might find support at around 48,000. If we fail to hold the 48,000 support, then we will find support along this trend line. This trend line here is very important. Bitcoin has been respecting it for quite some time now, and it's actually the support on the weekly time frame. I'll show you here. This is the weekly time frame. Bitcoin was above this trend line, and then we ended up breaking outside of it, and once we broke outside of it though, this trend line became a resistance. Okay, became resistance for Bitcoin. We kept trying to break above it, but we were failing. Finally, this candle here, we ended up breaking in. However, this past weekly candle that just closed, actually, it closed outside of this trend line. This is something I'm a little bit concerned about, okay? Because, last time Bitcoin ended up closing outside of this trend line on the weekly time frame, we ended up getting this massive dump here, okay? And I'm seeing this here again on the weekly time frame. We got another red candle, and this is right outside of this resistance. So this is a bit concerning, okay? So what I am seeing is that, the price is going to go up, okay? It's going to go up to probably like 49,000. It may even go all the way to 50,000, but after that, I believe that it's going to fall back down, okay? It's going to fall back down and find support probably like around 48,000. If not, it will go all the way to 46,000. Okay, right now I'm seeing some great opportunities to actually long Bitcoin. I would not be shorting the market right now because it's gonna go against you. Okay, we are currently in an uptrend, and you want to be trading with a trend. So right now I'll be looking for opportunities to long Bitcoin, and I am seeing a great one right now. I would wait for this 4-hour candle to close first, which is going to happen in the next 36 minutes. Okay, I will be uploading this video right away. So by the time I upload this video, this candle would have already closed. And then once the next candle starts, the price might go down a little, okay, probably to like 46,400. From there, I would say definitely enter long position and then ride it all the way to 47,500, because this is where the next major resistance is. And then if we end up breaking 47,500, then I will go ahead and place another long and ride it all the way to 48,200 and then take my profit there. If we end up breaking this resistance as well, then I'll go ahead and place another long, just keep doing like that. So yeah, guys, this is it for this analysis for today. If you find this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to receive more technical analysis video like this, I highly invite you to subscribe to this channel. By the way, just so you are aware, I have created a Telegram group where I will be posting trading signals more often. Okay, so if you want to be getting updated quicker than on YouTube, then I highly recommend that you join that Telegram group. The link is in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have an amazing day. See you in the next video.